One image. That's all you need to create a realistic AI influencer that stays consistent across every scene. Let's get into it. Now it's time to create our AI influencer. I'm using Mojo AI for this part. After signing in, scroll down and click Create an AI Influencer. A new page will open. Click Create New to start from scratch. Next, paste in your prompt. After that, choose the basic details for your AI influencer. Select the gender, age group, ethnicity, skin tone, eye color, and body shape. Now switch to the Styling tab. By default, you'll see two options, short and long. Since we're creating a female AI influencer, switch to long, because that's where most of the female styling options are. Now customize your influencer however you like. Choose the hairstyle, hair color, and if you want, you can also add creative hair coloring. Then choose the makeup, eyelashes, facial features, accessories, and even nail art if you want. Take your time here, because these choices will determine how your AI influencer looks. Once you're happy with everything, click Generate. After a few moments, Mojo AI will generate your AI influencer. When it's ready, click on the image to open it. Then zoom out if needed so you can see the full image and download it to your device. That's it. Your AI influencer is now ready for the next step.
If you've made it this far, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe. Every bit of support means a lot to me, and it motivates me to keep creating free AI tutorials like this.
Now it's time to create the cinematic 3x3 grid that we'll be using for the animation. I'll open Google Flow and upload the AI influencer image we just created. Next, I'll paste in my prompt. If you want to follow along exactly, don't worry. I'll leave all the prompts I used in the description below. Once everything is ready, I'll submit the prompt and wait for Google Flow to generate the grid. After a few moments, my 3x3 cinematic grid is ready. Now, we can't animate the entire grid as one image. We need to separate each frame first so that we can animate them one by one. I start with the first image in the top left corner. To extract it, I'll simply type Extract Frame 1. Google Flow will generate that image for me. Next, I'll move to the second image. This time, I'll type Extract the top center image. After that, I'll do the same thing for the third image by typing Extract the top right image. The process is exactly the same for the remaining images. All you need to do is tell Google Flow which part of the grid you want to extract, and it'll generate that image for you. Once I've extracted all the images from the grid, we can finally move on to the fun part, bringing them to life with animation. For animation, scroll through your recent generations and select the perfect starting image for your scene. Here, we're choosing a tight close-up of our subject's face from the workspace grid. Once selected, tap the Animate button from the pop-up menu. This brings up the animation interface. You already have your start frame loaded, so tap the empty end frame box. This allows you to choose your destination image from your recent outputs. We'll select a wider shot of the same subject to set up a dynamic transition. Before writing your prompt, quickly check your video settings. You can adjust the aspect ratio, the duration, and choose your preferred generation model, like the Veo 3.1 Lite model, to ensure you get the exact style and quality you need. Now it's time to guide the AI. In the text box, type a clear camera direction for how you want the AI to bridge the two images. For this shot, we'll type Camera Dolly In to reveal her face. Hit the Generate button and let the AI go to work. In just a few moments, your two static images are transformed into a seamless cinematic video clip that brings your scene to life. To keep the story moving, let's chain our next sequence together. You'll notice your previous wide shot is already loaded as your new start frame. Tap the empty end frame box, scroll through your workspace, and select your next destination image. We'll use this side profile shot of her looking away. Tap the prompt box. This time, instead of giving a camera direction, we'll describe the character's motion. Type she turns left and hit the generate arrow. The AI will process the action, smoothly animating the transition between the two poses to continue your cinematic sequence. Now it's time for editing. Bring all of those newly generated clips into your video editor and add them directly to your timeline. To keep the pacing tight and dynamic, shorten and trim the clips down so the movement feels natural. Finally, drop in your chosen sound or music track to tie the whole vibe together. Here is the final result. And that's it. Your AI influencer video is ready. Now, just like her, it's time to grab a cup of coffee and relax. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.